What's up guys, it's your boy Malafix Trading. Today I'm gonna teach you about high, low, higher. Price movement makes a higher. So as you can see guys, I'm in Bitcoin guys. Here you go with the buyers. Supposed to put breakout and mean that and go with the buyers. So here, as you can see, this one is the resistance. So high, low, it means bullish. So high means bullish. So guys, this one is resistance, this one is support. So guys, as you can see, so this one shows that where to put price movement. If I put the raise price movement, it means the resistant price movement. So here this one is the support price movement. Suppose the supporters, it means that I go with the buy. As you can see, this one is bullish, shows that the market is going up. So as you can see the arrow here, put the arrow here guys.